pretty cool. It's an exhibit from Blown Away here, a Netflix series shot in Hamilton, Ontario, and produced by a Toronto-based company called Marble Media. A little demo here, but they have some, I guess, with the winners.
To see people's careers just really go into the stratosphere and to see the interaction of all
Catnaps.
see more business, see more interest, and having it more knowledge.
This guy here, what's this here? Sandwich Spirit? A Calgary artist. Look over here. Pennsylvania. It's cool. You can come here and see all of the winners. Welding helmet of my dreams. This is pretty cool. This octopus. Snake. Kind of scary. A bathtub. Yeah, they're all here. And the winner is.
I've been working with the museum for a long time.